I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your TeamViewer app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So you keep going down here. You come here to apply computer sounds and music. Then you just click on this sign, just click on it. Like you see this color show for us, that's me apply computer sounds and music enable with us now, like you see here when this color show for us. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.